Hello! Today we're going to learn how to talk about our daily routine in simple English. Let's begin.
Hello. Welcome back. Have you ever been late for something important? Maybe school, maybe work, or maybe an interview. Today, something unexpected happens to Alex. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. His alarm clock is ringing loudly. But Alex doesn't hear it. He is still asleep. 5 minutes pass, then 10 minutes. Suddenly, his eyes open. He quickly looks at the clock. Oh no, I'm late! He jumps out of bed. He doesn't walk. He runs. He washes his face as fast as he can. He brushes his teeth in less than 1 minute. He gets dressed quickly. His mother calls from the kitchen. Alex, breakfast is ready. Alex looks at the delicious breakfast on the table. Fresh bread, hot tea, cheese, everything smells wonderful. But he looks at the clock again. He only has 5 minutes. He smiles at his mother and says, I'm sorry, Mom. I don't have time. I'll eat later. He grabs his bag and runs out of the house. The cool morning air hits his face. He starts running toward the bus stop. While he is running, he quietly says to himself, I wake up. I brush my teeth. I get dressed. I go to work. He is practicing English, even while he is running. When he finally arrives at the bus stop, the bus is already there. The driver is about to close the door. Alex waves his hand. Wait! Please wait! The driver smiles and opens the door again. Alex gets on the bus. He is breathing heavily. Then he notices something. A young man is sitting near the window. The man is reading an English book. Alex smiles. Maybe today will become a very special day. Alex slowly walks toward the empty seat. He looks at the young man and smiles back. Excuse me, is this seat free? The young man closes his book and smiles back. Yes, of course. Alex sits down. For a few seconds, nobody says anything. Then the young man looks at Alex's notebook. Are you learning English? Alex smiles. Yes, I am. I started recently. The young man nods. That's great. My name is Daniel. Alex shakes his hand. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Daniel replies. Daniel asks, why do you want to learn English? Alex thinks for a moment. Then he answers honestly. Because I want a better future. I want to travel. I want to speak with people from different countries. And one day, I want to speak English confidently. Daniel smiles. I like your dream. But remember something. Don't try to learn everything in one day. Learn a little every day. Alex listens carefully. Those simple words stay in his mind. The bus continues moving through the city. Daniel asks another question. So, tell me about your morning. Alex smiles. This time, he is not afraid. He answers slowly. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast with my family. Then I go to work. In the evening, I study English. Daniel nods with a smile. Excellent. Your English is simple, but it is clear. And that is what really matters. Alex feels proud. A few weeks ago, he was afraid to say even one sentence. Today, he is having a real conversation in English. He looks out of the bus window. The city is busy. People are walking. Cars are moving. Everyone has a destination. Alex smiles quietly. He realizes that learning English is also a journey. One step. One lesson. One conversation at a time. A few minutes later, the bus stops. Daniel stands up. "This is my stop." "It was nice meeting you, Alex." Alex smiles. "It was nice meeting you too." Before leaving, Daniel gives Alex one final piece of advice. Practice every day. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake teaches you something new. Alex watches Daniel leave the bus. Then he opens his notebook. On a new page, he writes, "Today, I had my first real conversation in English." He closes the notebook with a smile. For the first time, he doesn't feel like a beginner anymore. He feels like someone who is moving forward. Review. Today, you learned wake up, brush my teeth, wash my face, eat breakfast, go to work, study English. You also learned these useful sentences. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast with my family. I go to work. I study English every day. I want to speak English confidently. Excellent work! But Alex's story is only beginning. Tomorrow, he needs to buy a birthday gift for his mother. The problem? He must do everything in English. Will he understand the shop assistant? Will he find the right gift? Let's find out in episode 4. See you in the next lesson.